Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix TikTok following problem something went wrong. So guys, when you want to follow any person on your TikTok app and facing the issue that something went wrong, please try again. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you need to open your settings first. Click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone or iPad. And after this, you need to go back, scroll it down, and here you will see the option of general. Click on it and click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back and now you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and you need to reset your network settings. After doing this, you have to go back and click on language and region and select your region according to your country. And now you have to click on date and time. Make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically. And after this, you need to check for software update on your iPhone. If you will find any update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing this, you have to open your app store here, and here you need to search TikTok. After this guys, you have to open your TikTok and you need to update your TikTok app if not updated. And guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still facing this issue again and again, you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general, and here you will see the option of iPhone storage here. And guys, after this, you need to click on TikTok and simply you have to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to follow anyone on your TikTok account. So guys, these are the possible solutions to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.